Chins always boast how big they are. Superior by far.